Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abdon Hekalsha, and today we are going to dive into the world of music and passion. Joining me today is a talented individual and a good friend of mine, Java Safero. Give an applause to him. So,
Hello.
today we'll be talking about his journey with the guitar, how how it started, and what it means to him. So, Javas, thank you for being here. How are you doing today?
My pleasure. I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm good too. Yes. All right, let's jump right into the questions.
All right.
The first question is, what are the main roles of a guitarist in a band?
As a guitarist, my role is to maintain harmony with the band by playing rhythm and melody in the right proportion.
Oh, right. Secondly, at what age did you start playing the guitar and when did you begin to taking it seriously?
I started playing guitar when I was 13 years old, I guess, and later it became my number one hobby, and I started to practice a lot and write songs.
Now it's your number one hobby.
Yep, it's my number one hobby now.
All right. And next question. Have you ever
Let's go.
performed on a big stage so far?
Well, not yet, but I have attended a music festival and performed at my junior high school.
All right, good. Next question. What technical skills are essential for a guitarist?
Technical skills that are as essential, I'd say, such as we call it alternate picking, and scales where you could
Oh,
master melodies
scales.
by memorizing the pattern,
Oh,
something like that.
is it hard? Need many years to learn?
Well, you need to be consistent about it. You need to be consistent with it.
That's the hard part. Consistency.
I agree with that.
Alright, the last question is, what project are you
Okay.
currently working on? And could you give us a sneak peek?
Well, mhm. Well, right now I'm the frontman of a band, and we recently wrote a song. We are planning to release it soon. Well, it's probably next month.
I'm glad to hear that. I wanna hear it too. I will
Sure,
hear that your project.
you should be my fan base. You should join my fan base.
Of course, I will. Okay, maybe. Okay, that's enough. Thank you for the
Okay.
conversation. That was amazing conversation. I've learned that playing the guitar is not just about the notes, but also about the passion and dedication behind it. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one. Goodbye. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sabdawn Hekalsyah. Today, I will be presenting the results of an interview regarding the world of music, specifically focusing on the guitar. I chose this topic because music is not just about entertainment, but a form of deep dedication. From Java Savero, I wanted to explore how a guitarist builds their skills from the ground up to leading a band and to understand that behind every beautiful melody there is a technical precision and consistency that must be maintained. Based on the interview with our guest Java Savero, we have gathered the following key points. The role of a guitarist. A guitarist's primary role is to maintain the band harmony by playing rhythm and melody in the right proportion. The beginning. Java started playing the guitar at the age of 13, and what began as a hobby has now become his primary passion. Experience. While he has not yet performed on a major national stage, he has experience performing at music festival and school events since junior high school. Technical skills. Essential technical skills include arts note picking and mastering scales. However, he emphasized that the hardest part is staying consistent with practice. Current project. He is currently the frontman of current project. He is currently the frontman of a band, and they recently wrote a song that planned from release next month. Reflecting on the interview results, I find the idea that talent is the only the starting point, but consistency is the key to be very compelling. It is interesting to see how Javas pointed out that the most difficult part isn't necessarily learning a complex technique, but rather maintaining the discipline to practice every day. This proves that creative pursuits require just as much a professional discipline as any other field. In conclusion, playing the guitar is not about just strumming strings on a stage. It's about dedication that starts at young age, mastery of technique, and hard work behind the scenes. Music is a blend of technical skills and sincere passion. That concludes my presentation. I hope these points provided a new insight into the world of music. Thank you.